Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video we're going to talk about how to get the menu output from the UMC-1 receiver and some of the custom features we've added to this system. Now this receiver has become the base of this system because of a couple of its great features. Number one, it takes all of its devices, up converts them to 1080p, down converts them to a 1080i component output, has wonderful selection of different audio and video paths, high quality, and we're just really happy with it. Now one thing about this is that it will not give you the HDMI output and its component output at the same time. That's common for many, many receivers. So what we've got right now, for instance, is right now you can see this image is coming through, and if I hit menu right now, the menu pops up on the screen. Now, one of the things is, let's say you're at an event and you want to access some of these menu functions, but you want to be able to see them without having to hook up your projector onto a screen, you know, so you can see the image right there. Well, that can be a bit of a hassle. If you get to an event, you want to set up your 7.1, maybe calibrate your speakers, so you have to do a projector in the middle of the day, put something in front of it. Well, we've arranged it to where you can take that menu and get it to show on the monitor. The way you do that is on quad 1, the third channel says UMC1. You just push UMC1, and right now it's just a blue signal. The reason for that is the output is only going through the HDMI. And we're not going to take that HDMI signal and split it and down convert it for video into the monitor. It's just not going to happen. But what we built into the system, is with a little bit of modifications, is an HDMI on-off switch that disables the HDMI function of the Emotiva. So when I turn this off, that automatically activates the component video output. It's already in the image. I hit menu. There's your menu right here on the screen. Now, you've set up your menu, you've set up your functions, your features, everything you want to do. You want to get back to the HDMI output, just turn this back on. And once again, because you can't have the component and the HDMI at the same time, this goes blank, and in a moment the projector will handshake with it, and there's your image back on the screen. So it's a really, really great feature to do that. So also, if you wanted to play a component output, which we have pre-wired on the side of the case, instead of the HDMI, depending on your display device, you would just simply make sure that you turn this off, and that activates the component automatically. So it's a really great feature to have, and it gives you that customization that you need, particularly, as I mentioned before, when you want to really be able to see those menu functions in the monitor and be able to avoid setting up your projector in the middle of the day and trying to see the menu image that way. So just another great feature of this custom 7.1 Premiere system.